Welcome back to Herbal Insights, your go-to channel for learning about the amazing world of herbs and herbal teas. Today, we're diving into the calming world of valerian root, a herb known for centuries for its soothing effects. Valerian root is a perennial plant native to Europe, parts of Asia, and has now naturalized in North America. This herb, with its pungent aroma, has long been valued for its calming and sedative properties. The medicinal part of the plant is its root, which contains bioactive compounds responsible for its therapeutic benefits. In traditional medicine, valerian has been used primarily as a natural sedative and anxiolytic, anxiety-reducing agent. Valerian root's use in herbal medicine spans over 2,000 years. Hippocrates, the father of medicine, wrote about its calming effects as early as the 4th century BCE. During the Roman Empire, Galen, another prominent physician, prescribed valerian for insomnia. Interestingly, during the Middle Ages, valerian was believed to not only calm nerves but also fend off evil spirits and bad dreams, a testament to its wide range of symbolic and medicinal uses. Fast forward to the 20th century, valerian became popular again during World War II, when it was used by civilians in England to relieve stress and anxiety during air raids. This highlights its long-standing reputation as a nerve-soothing plant, capable of calming the mind during even the most stressful circumstances. The health benefits of valerian root come from its complex mixture of bioactive compounds. Valerianic acid, isovaleric acid, and a group of compounds called iridoids, notably valipotriates, are believed to be the primary contributors to its sedative and anxiolytic effects. Valerian's essential oils, particularly bornyl acetate, also play a role in promoting relaxation. The exact mechanism of action of valerian is still under study, but it is widely believed that these compounds interact with GABA receptors in the brain. GABA, gamma-aminobutyric acid, is a neurotransmitter that helps regulate nerve impulses, promoting a state of calmness. Valerian essentially increases GABA availability, which can reduce anxiety, induce sleep, and help manage stress, similar to how some synthetic anti-anxiety medications work, but without the hangover effect that many of these medications can cause. Valerian root has been extensively studied and is recognized by major health organizations, including the European Medicines Agency, World Health Organization, ESCOP, and the German Commission E for its potential therapeutic benefits. Here are some of its primary uses and benefits. 1. Sleep aid. Valerian is one of the most popular herbs for addressing sleep issues. Studies have shown that it can improve sleep quality and reduce the time it takes to fall asleep, making it particularly effective for people suffering from insomnia. It's often used as an alternative to prescription sleep medications, with the advantage of having fewer side effects. 2. Anxiety and stress relief. Valerian root is a well-known anxiolytic, anxiety-reducing herb. It helps calm the central nervous system, making it useful in cases of general anxiety disorder, nervous tension, and restlessness. ESCOP recognizes valerian for its use in relieving mild anxiety and stress-related disorders. 3. Menopause support. Women going through menopause often experience sleep disturbances, hot flashes, and mood swings. Valerian has been used to alleviate some of these symptoms, particularly by promoting better sleep and reducing anxiety. 4. Muscle relaxation and pain relief. Valerian has mild muscle relaxant properties, which makes it useful in treating mild muscle pain or cramps, particularly when linked to stress or tension. According to WHO and EMA, valerian is safe for use in short-term treatments of mild sleep disorders and anxiety, but should be used with caution in combination with other sedatives or alcohol. It is also not recommended for long-term use without medical supervision. How to make valerian root tea. To make valerian root tea, you'll need dried valerian root, which can be found in most herbal stores or pharmacies. Here's how to prepare it. 1. Use 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried valerian root per cup of water. 2. Heat water to a boiling point, and then pour it over the valerian root. 3. Let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Strain the tea before drinking. For best results, drink the tea 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Valerian root tea has a strong and earthy flavor, which some people may find unpleasant. To improve the taste, you can mix it with other calming herbs like chamomile or peppermint, or add a bit of honey or lemon. Valerian root has been a trusted herbal remedy for centuries, and its ability to promote relaxation and improve sleep remains valuable to this day. If you're looking for a natural way to unwind, valerian root tea might just be what you need. Just remember to consult your healthcare provider before starting any new herbal treatment, especially if you are on other medications. If you enjoyed this deep dive into valerian root and its benefits, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more herbal wisdom. Stay healthy, stay calm, and see you in the next video.